Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming gear and immediate controls. Equip night vision goggles and ensure battery is at least 50% so you don't lose vision mid-rescue. Next, power the IR emitter and set HUD brightness to a low-medium level because higher brightness washes out contrast under NV. Once done, bind a quick toggle key or controller button for NV so you can switch views instantly during the helo insertion and while moving toward objective markers. You activate night vision just before insertion and immediately scan for IR markers, flares, and patrol silhouettes. These show up brighter, so mark safe corridors. Move low and slow. NV narrows peripheral clarity, so keep your aim on the center dot for accurate shots and avoid sudden turns. Monitor battery life constantly. Use 5 to 10-minute bursts. Then switch to a backup battery or briefly disable NV to conserve power while you reposition or reload. You finish the mission by keeping NV active during extraction. Maintain situational awareness until the aircraft clears known heat sources, because thermal spikes can blind you. If you encounter glare or image bloom, immediately lower HUD or IR intensity and realign your target to restore contrast. Troubleshooting is simple. Confirm battery charge and IR alignment. Then verify game graphics settings. Ambient occlusion and HDR can conflict with NV. Adjust them if the image is washed out or NV won't toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.